This is a 39.
This is a 39.
Lincoln Zephyr Coupe.
It'd be almost identical to a 38 in this respect.
Okay.
So, they both have a system for you to be able to get the spare tire out. Spare tire and wheel, of course, pretty heavy, and at the same time, we want to figure out some way to have a full luggage capability. Well, how do you do that and compensate for the two things? The factory came up with a very unique solution to that problem. They actually hinged the spare tire rack, and we'll show you how that works.
And if someone might wonder, why in the world is the spare tire so prominent in the trunk here? But back in the 30s, flat tires
were very common.
Were a big deal.
Tires weren't very good.
Time. It was a part of
living.
It was
constant. And if you had a lady or somebody, a man that wasn't particularly hefty, it was a struggle. And they didn't want to put it on the outside like some people did, because that's really ugly.
Yeah.
So what Lincoln devised was a system that's very, very clever. Now this is our own custom adaptation of that. So we made a cover for the wheel, which is based on a really rare optional hubcap that was available from Lincoln. Nobody bought them. To this day, they're the rarest thing on the planet, and we were able to borrow one. We made a mold off of it, and we created this one to be a cover for the tire and the spare.
Very good.
Okay, and the reason that this is unique is because this is a very heavy object, and so when the lady or the gentleman is trying to get it out to change the tire, and there was AAA hadn't come around yet, so they had to do their own work, and this made it a lot simpler.
Wow.
This thing actually comes out. You take a couple of bolts off.
So it's hinged.
It actually folds out
and
becomes accessible. And it also allows you to put your luggage in and then simply put it back in place. Okay?
Very good. Yeah, it just keeps it out of the way.
Very ingenious.
Yeah, that is a good plan. Very interesting.
Yep.
Well, thank you for showing that to me.
Sure. Zephyr.